Hello guys, few days back I have received a message saying that some of my videos are so long, like around half an hour long. And it's get boring to sit through them for that long. So I'm trying to make this video short and the to the point video. This is the same footage we saw in the last video, and the reason is that I used this footage in previous videos for Key Primate and Key Light. So I thought would use the same one for this as well, so you can compare it easily. So my name is Balkishan, you are watching VFX episodes. So in today's video, we are learn how to key using IBK Gizmo. So in the other tools, you saw that they gave us a strong alpha for the foreground and made the background black, means transparent. Okay, so but here what we will do is first we create a clean plate, and with the help of this, the IBK Gizmo will generate the key for us. Okay, so I would also like to mention that this is really good tool for pulling out fine hairs and soft edges. Okay, let's take IBK Gizmo. As I told you, this tool is allow us to get more soft edges and fine details. Here you can see background. We will connect it by merge. Here we have C as in clean plate. We will going to connect our clean plate here. Okay, here we have BG. Foreground. So as you see, I have already done noise reduction for that. Let's do a big screen. So here in IBK, you will see that the first thing we need to do is create a clean plate. For example, this is my character, and now we need to remove this character and have only pure green screen. Okay, so how can we create a clean plate? Look, here I have taken a constant node and picked the same color as my chroma background. Okay, see, it's done, right? This is also a clean plate, but now we will see that this doesn't give you the best result. Okay, so we can make a better clean plate. So here I have tool called IBK color, which we can use to create a better clean plate. You can also create a clean plate by using primate and also by constant if it works. It's all up to you, whichever method suits best for your project. Just need to provide a good clean plate here. So we will prefer using IBK color because it generates a better clean plate. Let's connect IBK color to our footage. Now by default the screen type is blue, but as we need to work on green, so we'll select green here. Okay, as we select green, you can see it makes a black color to our foreground character, and rest of our BG is green. Fine. Now what we need to do is make the entire background green, even the parts that are currently black. So we will erode and place some settings to shift it inwards, and you will see that slowly it will generate a complete clean plate for us. So here is the size. So as you increase or decrease the size, your black color will expand accordingly. For now my aim is to make my character completely filled with black color, and here you can see the dark and light. These are our color values. So by tweaking the light and dark color values from here, you can improve it according to your shot, right? So as I said, right now our plan is to cover the foreground nicely with the black color. If you look here, you can still slightly see the character on the edges, right? We don't want that. We have to try to cover it completely. The better it's covered, the better it is. Okay, once we cover this properly, then we will erode it and get a proper clean plate. But if I erode it right now, look, this part is still left behind. So to make a good clean plate, I'll try to cover it as well as possible. Okay, for now I'll make a few adjustments so it fills in more effectively. Okay, so here you can see we have erode. I'll increase the erode a little, and you will see it has covered a bit more in black. Okay, so now we have our patch black. Okay, what this does is the more we increase it, the more it will remove our black, and then using the remaining pixel it will give us a clean plate. Okay, so if I increase it quite bit, like increase it madly, look at this, it has created a clean plate for us. Okay, and now the clean plate looks okay, but instead of increasing it all at once, we'll do it step by step. So why do we do that? See, suppose let me take one another to explain. Now I set this to 0 and then I'll increase a little. Okay, let's say I make it 2. Okay, now I'll copy this and put it below this and make it 4. like double. And I'll keep repeating this process until all the black is gone and we get good clean plate. 4, then 8, 16. Okay, but remember to go step by step. Okay, so now this clean plate has been created after doing this whole process. Now look at the difference. If you compare it with the original, you will notice that some details here and there have been lost when we created the clean plate in just one node. We'll try to get clean plate as close to the original as possible without much difference. But here you can see that only the character has been removed and the rest of chroma is exactly the same. Okay, so we'll follow this method. In short, the better the clean plate, the better the key will be. Okay. Now we'll take the IBK Gizmo and connect the seed to our clean plate. Fine. It has given us really good key in just one go. If we zoom in, you can see it has extracted all the hair details really well. And look at these soft edges. They have come out beautifully. So let's delete this. And this is our soft key. Now I have increased the gamma here and you will notice the background noise is visible. And guys, this is normal, nothing to worry about. To fix this, I'll take a grid node, set it to alpha, and slightly I will increase the black from here. And see, we have got much better result. Okay. So after fixing this, if I lower the gamma, you will see there are some holes in it. Guys, if you have watched the previous classes, you will know that to fix this, we need to add hard key. So we'll take a premade tool, run auto compute, then fix the foreground and then the background. To learn this tool in detail, you can watch my previous classes either from the I button or from the description. So I have added this hard key by this channel merge. Okay. Let's connect copy node. We have some green edges here and to fix it, let's connect this fill. Let's take a merge node to connect background. And then we will going to take a dash grain to add grains again. Guys, this is something like a speed comp, because trust me, this is the full video is half an hour video and I have created this video in just like 8, 9, 10 minutes, under 10 minutes. Okay, so after the keying process, everything is speed comp. Okay, so here we have added like soft key, hard key, and the whole process which I have already told you in the previous classes. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching the video and hope you like my videos. Thank you so much.